Hi there. I wanted to do a quick video on the tabletop bases that go with our plug-in mini warmers, just in case you're interested in them. They are really cool because if you don't want to have them plugged directly into the wall, you can still have them on a table just like another warmer. You just need to buy the base separately. The bases are really inexpensive, so it's still a great bargain. There are two different kinds. This one is the glass tabletop base, excuse me. You'll see the difference in the catalog as well as on the website. It'll say whether it's glass or ceramic. This one is a little bit different from the ceramic because the ceramic, you'll see, has a different base. So this kind, the entire bottom of the warmer screws into it, whereas this one it just kind of so you put it on and you only like half a turn. So I'm going to show you real quick. So for the glass base, it has a bottom like this where it's the full thing. You can see it screws on just like a screw would. Very easy. Of course you would have a bulb in there, and that's it. That's pretty easy, right? So let me show you the other kind, the ceramic base. So again, has a little bit different here. And you'll see the ceramic base also looks a little bit different, not actually like a screw. And so basically you just line up the notch there and literally turn it half. And that's it. It won't come off. So that's as easy as it gets. The cord has the switch just like the regular warmers has. Very easy to set up, very inexpensive, and it's pretty versatile because now you have a warmer that can plug directly into the wall or sit on a desk or a table.